Hi, my name is Desiree Gonzalez Costello of BEd 2E, and I am here for the lesson 4, Contents of the Elementary Science, which I am going to make activity for the task 3, activity proper. So it says that after accomplishing the last task, we have to make an activity using the same objectives and procedure if they are both aligned, and if it is not, then align the activity to the objective set. Also consider the availability of the materials needed for the activity. After the activity, share the output to the class by explaining their output through video to be uploaded on the FB private page. So, since the activity asks for the video about our output on the lesson 4 task or activity assessment about the biology, living things and their environment that I have chosen, I make the activity from the living things and their environment biology. So, my activity 1 is all about the human sense organ, grade 3 living things and their environment, second quarter. The objectives is that the learners demonstrates understanding of parts and functions of the sense organ of the body. So, the activity that I made is describe the parts and functions of the sense organs of the human body. And the human bodies or the human sense organs that I chose to have an activity is that our 5 sense organs. So, the first one is all about the eye. The parts of the human eye. Yes. Then, after that, the human ear. It's the human ear. And the human tongue, the human skin, and of course, last but not the least, the human nose, the parts of the human nose. And of course, aside from the parts of the human sense organs, I also make or answer those functions of each sense organs. As you can see, it's all in the left sides of the pictures that I have shown to you lately. So, that's it for the first activity or the human sense organ on grade 3. So, next we have the activity 2. It is all about the human major organs, which it is from the science grade 4, second quarter. The objectives is that the learners demonstrate understanding of the major organs such as the brain, heart, lungs, liver, stomach, intestines, kidneys, bones, and muscles keep the body healthy. So, the activity that I made for the human major organs, activity 2, is that activity 2, describe the main functions of the major organs. Number 2, how does the major organs work together to make the body function together? Number 3, identify the causes and treatments of diseases of the major organs. And number 4, how to maintain a healthy body. So, this is my activity or the activities that I made for the activity 2 on the human major organs. So, we have this one. We have column A, and column B. So, I have describe the main functions of the major organs by matching the items in column A with the column B. So, I also had the answers on that. So, since it is the activity 2, human major organs, the task 2 is all about it's just a question. It says that, how does the major organs work together to make the body function together? Then, this is the answer. The answer is that, just as the organs in an organ system work together to accomplish their tasks, so the different organ systems also cooperate to keep the body running. For example, the respiratory systems and the circulatory work together to deliver oxygen to cells and to get rid of the carbon dioxide the cells produce. So for the task 3, still about on the human major organs, is this. Tables. So task 3, identify the causes and treatments of diseases of the major organs. Fill the table below and identify its treatments. As you can see, there are the major organs, the heart, the brain. Then, in here are the cause of the diseases. And the last one are the treatments. So, for the last task on the activity 2, still on the major organs, we have the list. We have to do a list on tips on how to maintain a healthy body, at least 5. But of course, I made 7 lists of tips on how to maintain a healthy body. And here they are. So the number 1 is eat a variety of foods, enjoy plenty of fruits and vegetables, reduce salt and sugar intake, do an exercise every day, base your diet on plenty of foods rich in carbohydrates, drink plenty of fluids, and 7, maintain a healthy body weight. So that's on the activity 2 about the human major organs, science grade 4, second quarter. So still about the living things and their environment, biology. Activity 4, science grade 5, second quarter, male and female reproductive system. So the objectives of this activity is that the learners demonstrate understanding of the human reproductive system work. So the activity, describe the parts of the reproductive systems and their functions. Number 2, describe the changes that occur during puberty. Number 3, explain the menstrual cycle. So as you can see, they are really aligned with each other, the objectives and the activity. And with that, I made the activity same with the objectives and the activity of the science grade 5, second quarter, male and female reproductive system. And I have the activity here, male and female reproductive system. It is only multiple choice, 1 to 10. The task 1 is that choose the letter of the correct answer. Multiple choice, 1 to 10. So, still on the activity 3, science grade 5, second quarter, male and female reproductive system, I have this task 2, which is list at least 2 changes that occur during puberty in each of boys and girls. So, I list at least 2 for the girls and boys. Then after that, the last activity for the activity 3 or task 3 is that answer the question, what is menstrual cycle? Then explain. That's all for the activity 3 or the male and female reproductive system. So for the last activity, activity number 4 about the science grade 6 second quarter, human body systems, the human organ system at work. The objectives is that the learners demonstrate understanding of how the major organs of the human body work together to form organ systems. The activity is that explain how the organs of each organ system work together. As you can see, they are also aligned as like the other activities on the last topic I have tackled. So for that, I make the activity 4 task 1, the human body systems, the human organ system at work. It is fill in the blank. Actually, it is only 1 to 6 because the choices are only 6: the heart, the lungs, brain, stomach, large intestine, and small intestine. That's all. Thank you.